So I already did the tapping for the single throttle conversion. So what you're gonna need is a 10 by 1.25. What you're gonna need to drill it out, and then you tap it so you can run your single throttle cable for the Honda Shadow. What's up, guys? So right here, just testing out the single throttle. See, it threads real good. No issues. It's just with the stock one, it won't reach because I have the 8 hangers on this setup. So my next thing is I just ordered the extended single throttle cable from TJ Brutals. So I know on the 8 hangers, the 10-inch and under, you can run the stock one, but passing 10-inch, you got to get the extended. So that's what I did for today. Today's Friday, day after Thanksgiving. So hope you guys like the video, and whenever I get the extended cable, I'll do another video of the installation, and I hope you guys like it. And thank you for watching, and hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. See you guys in the next one.